Dear students, in this session you are going to write a test on the poem If, written by Rudyard Kipling. This is unit test 2. The first question is on annotation. Two annotations are given to you. First one, if you trust yourself when all men doubt you, but make allowance for their doubting too. Second one, if you can dream and not make dreams your master, if you can think and not make thoughts your aim. When you're answering the questions on annotation, remember to give the name of the poem and the poet in the beginning of the answer, and then go for the explanation of the lines, who said to whom, and the context of the lines. Next one is short question and answers. Now here you are supposed to answer the questions in a word, a phrase or a sentence. First question, what are the values presented in the poem? Second one, what is the theme of the poem? If. Your answers should be short, don't be too descriptive. Next one is answer the following questions in about a page and a half. And here your answer is descriptive. The question is, elucidate the qualities one should possess to be a perfect man according to Rudyard Kipling. After this is language component. Under language component, the first one is punctuation. Use the appropriate punctuations. Remember the commonly used punctuation marks like capital letter, full stop, comma, inverted commas, question mark, and exclamatory mark. Though there are many more, these are the commonly used ones. See how many punctuation marks can be used in the sentences given. First sentence, River Yamuna flows through Agra. Second one, Elaine is going to learn German. Third one is, they were going to France the next Friday. Next one is framing questions. If you have the underlined word in the sentence to frame a question, you are going to frame WH question. If you are not given the underlined word, then it means you are supposed to frame yes/no question. The first sentence here is, Madrid is the capital of Spain. Madrid is underlined. Instruction given is, frame a question so as to get the underlined word as answer. Second one, no, I don't think I have left the document in the locker. There is no underlined word here. The instruction is convert into yes/no question. Next one is use of negatives. The sentences are given. See if the sentence is negative. To change it into positive sentence, remove the word negative. If the positive sentence is given, to make it negative, add the word not. Also remember to retain the tense of the sentence. First one, trust in his wisdom. Instruction given is convert into a negative sentence. Second one, Jack never agrees to help his friends. Convert into an affirmative sentence. Third one, Anil does not speak about his loss. Instruction is convert into an affirmative sentence. Next one, linkers. You are given the sentences with the blanks, and you are also given the choices of linkers below. Choose the correct linker and fill the blank. First one, Dash being hated, he helped those in need. Second one should Dash be hurt by enemies, Dash by friends. Third one, she went to the shops, Dash couldn't find anything that could suit her needs. The options given to you are either or, neither nor, but, and despite. So out of these, choose the correct linker and place it in the correct blank. Thank you very much.